Alright, so now we're going to learn how to control the DC motors. So the first thing we need to do is we need to include the Smart Inventor library. So up at the top of our code, we're going to put in this line of code. So what this does is it pulls in the Smart Inventor library, which has a lot of background files that we're going to use, and just kind of simplifies things down. Next, inside of setup, we need to tell that we're going to use the DC motors. So the command for that is smartinventor.dcmotoruse. And this just gets everything set up for us, so that way we can actually control the DC motors. Next, we're going to learn how to actually control the motors. So inside of the loop, we're going to use this command. So it's smartinventor.dcmotor. And then it has three different things that we need to tell it. The first one is the motor, the second one is the direction, and the third one is the speed. And here's a little, I just wrote this as a comment up here. You guys don't need to write this part of the code down. Anything that begins with 2 lines is a comment. So it's for, we're able to see it, but when you download it, it doesn't affect the program. So you guys can put this as a kind of reminder to you if you want, but it's not required. So the first option is what the motor is. So this can be M1, 2, 3, or 4, and that's for your 4 different motor plugs. Next we have our direction. CW is for clockwise. CCW is for counterclockwise. Stop has the motor stop moving and hold its place, so you can't really spin it. And loose has it stop, but it lets it free spin, so you can kind of coast a little bit. And the last number is the speed, and this can be a number between 0 and 127. So for this example, we have it going pretty slow, it's going at 10, so you might need to see about adjusting that for your robot to actually get it to move. Then what we'll do is we'll just add in a short delay, so that way it just moves for a little bit. Now, this right here is this code. If we download it, it should work. It'll turn on motor 1, have it spin counterclockwise at speed 10, wait a second, and it just keep repeats. But what we could do just to kind of see how it's working, just add a little bit extra, is we'll tell it to drive for a second, and then stop for a second. So now we'll add in another DC motor for M1, telling it to stop, and we'll wait a second. So now your motor should like run for a second, stop for a second, run for a second, stop for a second.